You can start sharing, Sinchana.
Hello.
Yeah, Ishwarya, you can start sharing.
So sorry. I just had some serious network issues there. 1 second. Um, yeah. This is Alok Chaudhary's profile.
Good one. From VIT, worked on Python. Strong engineering professional with master's degree focused in computer science. To get some really good profiles, CSC or computer science should be an additional good keyword.
Hmm.
Scroll down. Click on view full profile at bottom. Okay, it's asking to join. Go back. That's fine.
I think
You can download LinkedIn
cloud
app
compute. I do have.
on mobile itself.
Yeah.
Then it should redirect to LinkedIn app itself to view the result. Not sure why it is not redirecting.
Yeah, 1 second. Hmm. Should I just go back to LinkedIn and open his profile and just come back here?
No problem. So meanwhile,
Yeah, because if I sign in now, all the password thing and everything will be going on.
no,
That's what
that's
I'm
okay.
saying.
That's
Just a
okay.
second.
Let's leave it. No need to come back. Come back to your string.
Okay. Okay, yeah. Hmm.
Fine, looks good. Even now, use. Okay, you wanted to give a normal search, right? Okay, now let's come to
Hmm.
another person. Who would be next? Aditya, Niku, Yashika.
Hi, Shiv Kumar. Yes,
Sure,
Aditya here.
you can share.
So, okay. Should I share my screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. So what you want to do? What you want me to do now?
Oh, you weren't there in a session
Actually,
earlier?
I joined the meeting, but I just had few work, so I couldn't listen to you.
No problem. What I was telling is like build a Boolean string.
Hmm.
Let me ping a requirement in a chat here once again.
Okay.
Build a Boolean string which has a job title of a software engineer or developer or programmer from Bangalore or Hyderabad, any one location you can pick, and profiles from either LinkedIn or Quora, anyone you can pick. And skills is something a person should have
Hmm.
either Java, Python, or C++, and who is good at system design.
Okay. Okay.
S should be small. S from site.
Okay.
Why don't you use intitle for software developer or programmer?
Okay, we can use, yes.
You can open the bracket. And from
I think
hmm,
okay. And in text, we should I use in text as well?
see, you're using intitle quotes
Mm,
software developer or programmer, use brackets. So for in URL, we should not have
mm,
any space between two different keywords of a software developer
mm,
or software programmer. The reason because
mm,
no URL has any space in the globe.
exactly.
But
Mm,
wherein for the title thing, in title, we can use software space
uh,
developer, space or space software or software programmer. And whenever we're
mm,
using or, thumb rule is we should be closing it with brackets.
bracket. Yeah. Okay. Mm,
Now look for person from Bangalore with the various variations of Bangalore, the way they might write, and who is good at Java or Python or C++ with system design.
Java, Python, both should be there.
Java or Python, anyone is fine. Java or Python or C++. Okay, I was telling Aishwarya also earlier, whichever the
Mm.
keywords which has alphabet and special characters like
It
plus,
should be
minus.
closed with
Yeah,
this, right?
yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Oh,
You can search for alternative keywords for system design. So this is good.
oh. Mm-hmm.
System design or HLD or LLD or architecture. Meanwhile, other people can search for types of system design and pick some keywords and keep your Boolean ready and we'll run through your Booleans.
Architecture or HLD, right?
Hmm.
So HLD should also be in double quotes, is it?
Not required. It's not having,
Mm-hmm.
it did not have any special character. No.
Mm-hmm.
Double quote is required in two conditions. One, an alphabet with special character. Second,
Mm-hmm.
a phrase like system space design.
Mm-hmm.
In two condition. Even HLD hyphen LLD, if you're using, then it should be in, again in a double quotes.
Okay. No, so sometimes what I have experienced, like if uh, let's, for example, if you are looking for firewall, okay, so firewall, and sometimes some people also mention as FW, only FW. Okay,
Hmm.
so if we close FW with the double quotes,
Hmm.
so it comes. The results come in that way. I mean, otherwise FW it varies. I mean, the results varies overall in the profile. But if we just close it in double
Okay,
quotes
come to new
FW,
tab.
uh,
Come to new tab and
yeah.
search for FWO. whenever we want to try this one, we'll have to try in this way. First, we should come to a new tab always. Just try for that one particular word. So if you see, if your every result has FW, then it is existing.
Okay. If okay, then we are already getting the results, right? So no use. Same thing.
Okay. So what you were mentioning, I got it. Sometimes when additional keywords we are adding, so FW will not take it as a keyword, but FW will take it as a various variations, and those words also will come, but not exactly as a FW. So we'll have to mention in the double quote. Yeah. So when our string is lengthy and when we are mentioning FW, such kind of a one or two words, one or two alphabet, very small words in a Boolean with the double quote, then it Google understand as this should be must to have in combination.
Okay.
I'll run you through. If I come across some of the examples while showing you, sometimes Google asks me, excluding this, but do you want to include? Okay, come to search.
Okay.
We'll come back to there. I'll come back in, not coming back. Whenever we come up with kind of example, I'll be vocal to show that.
Okay. So
Yeah, come to search.
our search was so many searches.
No, not this. Your string.
Yeah. Okay. So this was our search. So LinkedIn, we are X-raying LinkedIn here, right? And software developer and software programmer in our title, it
So
is
now you
there.
see we have
Okay.
jobs. Actually, we need a profiles. If you see
So we
everywhere
will.
in URL, we have jobs.
So we will not it. So job.
No, but when you're trying to search for a profiles, as I mentioned in our yesterday's session, that when we're trying to target a particular site, we do not have to exclude, because we'll be targeting that particular URL pattern of the profile. So here when it is coming jobs, okay, what is the URL pattern of every LinkedIn profile? There are some of the LinkedIn profile open on your system.
Yeah.
Just check.
.com.in. Okay.
Okay, what is the URL pattern of it?
.com/in.
Yes. So just use that.
So
Go to string.
okay. So here
Small.
yesterday I had one. Yeah, I had one more question. I have also seen quite a number of times people using linkedin.com/pub.
Yeah, this was an earlier version of LinkedIn profiles.
Okay.
Public. Pub is nothing but the public profiles. Okay. And then globally, now LinkedIn has changed, because earlier from India, if I'm looking out for, then the profiles used to look like in.linkedin.com/pub.
Okay. So now it is no use. Same results will come. Should we try?
Try.
1350. So results have lessened. Okay.
So earlier where false results were also there, which were not required. This pub you try separately. Now try this. This is correct. Enter.
Okay, I think that job is there. That is the reason. Okay.
Okay. Do you mean click on that architecture? The word has taken in another way. So now you have 8,430 results.
430. Yes.
Okay. So now similarly, /in you remove and put. Okay. Scroll down first.
Okay.
Okay. See, these are all the appropriate results what we were looking for.
Software development, we have a Java architecture, Karnataka, Bangalore. Okay, yes.
Okay.
Mhm,
So not even one
mhm.
single result which has a jobs, because directly we have targeted the URL pattern of individual profile. Go to the 10th page
10th page.
and directly go to the 10th page. There also you will see you'll have a accurate results,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
because we have targeted directly the URL pattern of the results. If we are
Mm-hmm.
not targeting
So,
URL pattern,
mm-hmm.
then we have to work on excluding, including, but still there would be some or the other results which would be popping up. Yeah, tell me, you were asking
Mm-hmm.
something.
Sometimes when I do X-ray, like I was recently looking for some Japanese candidates.
Hmm?
So what I used to experience, see for example, see we have mentioned Saloni software developer, okay, and here few things would be there. But when I used to open the profile, so the relevancy was what used to happen that the keyword, for example, should used to come here in somewhere other profiles. Okay, it should not.
Because
So
we are
I thought that
Google
yeah.
is searching results from entire web page, though as you're mentioning that particular keyword is coming from the other profile on a right hand side.
Mm-hmm.
This is again a page which is a web page.
Okay.
Okay, so the possibility
Mm-hmm.
is the other people who are mentioned architect in their title, only if you see there are some 4 to 5 keywords only which are mentioned over there.
Mm-hmm.
3, 4, 5, 2
Okay.
only. Okay, so the possibility is very less unless we are working for very niche skill which is very rare in market.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Not even
So I
5%
so
possibility.
mm-hmm. Okay, got it.
Now
So
you
that
use
was one.
forward slash pub. This I wanted to cover in X-ray search, but you have already
Mhm.
got this set up. No,
So full right.
remove
Okay.
in and just give pub.
Mm,
Earlier we had 8,000 change results. Now we have
1,000.
1,000, because these are,
Mm-hmm.
now if you open the profile, open any one profile, here it is mentioned as pub, but is it really mentioned in the profile? You see it is still in only. So in our previous result, which is the recent one, that is forward slash in. Now if you see, you have opened his profile, you see the URL pattern of his profile.
Yeah, it is same .com/in.
It's not pub, because that is
It
gone
is
now.
not. Hmm. But so this results would also have come in that as well,
In
right?
that 8,000, this also has come.
Mm-hmm. Okay, got it.
So this
Yeah,
is fetching
actually,
result from the
previously
old
I
web data
used
which
to,
was available in the
yeah.
Google site.
Mm-hmm. Okay, got it.
Whichever profile you open, it would have forward
Mm-hmm.
slash in only. It will not have, no profile now has forward slash pub. See the URL pattern.
All in. Mm-hmm. Got it. So should I stop sharing now?
Yeah. Next, who will take it up?
Thank you.
Thank you. Aditya, you're done. Aishwarya, you're also done. Niku?
Hello,
Yeah, Niku. We'll have something
sir.
interesting.
My screen is visible or not?
Yeah, yeah. So Niku, in both the sessions, Aishwarya was sharing a screen, then Aditya shared a string. So those strings are very much common, good enough for us.
Yes, sir.
Let me, okay, fine. Are you ready with your string?
No, sir.
Not yet?
I yes, sir. Not yet. No, sir. Not yet. No, sir, I have to write again.
Okay, right. Okay, keep this string as it is. No, previous string you keep it as it is.
This one?
So here you do some additions. Instead of in URL resume, you put linkedin.com/in.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Okay,
should
and
I write for Quora also in URL?
no, take it for anyone. Do it for Quora. Otherwise, everyone done for LinkedIn. You do it for Quora. What is a Quora profile pattern?
What, sir?
No, you LinkedIn you remove. Do it for Quora. What is a Quora URL pattern of profiles?
Just Quora.com.
Go to your profile. No. Go to your own profile in Quora. Before add question, that is your profile pic. Click on that. No, before
Where?
add question. That one. Yes. Click on your name. So if you see the URL pattern of Quora.com for profile, it is Quora.com/profile.
Then I should write in title.
In title, there you write. Not here. Here
Okay.
you are. No. Why you need to write in title as a Bangalore? Bangalore is not a title. It's a location. What are job titles here? Software engineer, software developer. There you write in title. No, not here.
No, sir, I have.
There you have written already software engineer and software developer after Bangalore. That's what I was trying to tell. After this string, here you write. There is one additional space before Bangalore and all.
Sir, the BLR has to be written in capital, or is it okay if we write it in small? What exactly?
No, it's okay to write it in small also. Not there. Additional space. BLR you write. That was correct. Write BLR. Remove that space. Delete. Go back. No. Not there. Near Bangalore only.
Yes.
The entire string of Bangalore or BLR. There you have one additional space. After profile.
Yes, sir.
After profile.
Okay.
Hmm.
Is it right?
Yeah. No need to type this resumes, jobs or career because we are targeting the right URL pattern of individual profiles. So you can type in additional skills like Java or C++ or Python. C++ in quotes, as I was mentioning earlier, whenever you're using alphabet with special character, it should be in quotes. I doubt if people write so much of thing like HLD, LLD and everything in their Quora profile, but nothing wrong in giving a try. HLD or LLD or design, just give design or architecture. Fine, this looks good. Close the bracket.
Should I search?
Good enough. Search. Good ones. Check for a few more results. Scroll down. All are individual profiles. Go to another 10th page or whichever the last page. Okay, go to third. Okay, go to next. Repeat. Repeat the search with the omitted result. That blue is there now. Above your string. No, not there. Repeat the search with the omitted result. Scroll down completely. You can see only 30 result. Repeat the search. Yes. Now you'll be able to see all the results. Scroll down. Go to 7th, 8th page. So whenever you see, if it is restricting to 20, 30 results, repeat the results. Okay, and click on that when Google gives the option. Then you'll be able to see all the profiles. Scroll down and open up a couple of profiles from here. Yeah, all are individual profiles. Let's view Nishant profile. Prasanna Mahendran profile you open. Software engineer, technical writer, photographer, love to help, XYZ, good enough. Software developer, learning programming, computer programming, programming languages, asked number of questions on software development topics, also answered number of questions on software development topics. Good one. So see, Quora is a question and answer platform. So here, if we do not have a complete profile, still if we see the activity from the person who is actively asking a question related to what we are searching or actively answering the questions related to software development topics or whatever you're searching for, it has maybe person has not written the profile completely, but has given the enough evidence that he has been working on those particular skills. Though Java is not written in the profile, but he has been answering to the questions related to Java. That means he is good at.
What should I do now, sir?
Good enough. Results are good enough. Okay. So Aishwarya,
Should I stop?
you reshare your screen, go to that string. I'll tell you additional thing what you can do. Yeah, you can stop.
Okay, 1 second, sir.
Good one, Niku.
Hmm. This page?
Yeah. So additionally now, add within the bracket looking for, seeking for, available. Otherwise,
1 second.
in title looking for.
Okay.
Addition to the software engineer, here itself in title.
Looking For,
within the codes.
yeah. Looking for
That's it. Search.
or, okay. Once.
So now we have some of the
Ah,
active profiles who are actually looking for a job.
okay. So what are the other words you said? Looking for, seeking for, and
Looking for, seeking for, looking or seeking. Just give looking or seeking now. In title, looking or seeking. Okay, looking, we are able to see the result. Now check for seeking for, or just put seeking. Currently
okay.
seeking,
Okay,
seeking
so they
job.
are also using the word actively looking.
Actively looking.
That is
Yeah,
also there.
we need to think of the way candidate might write. Actively looking, actively. Okay,
Correct.
just type only actively. Remove
Okay.
seeking. Good enough. Actively looking for new opportunities, actually seeking new opportunities, actually learning.
Looking for a job. Looking
Available
for a job.
immediately. This available immediately, seeking for, looking for, actively, this we can use in text also, or in title also. But most of the people who are very actively looking for a job, they normally edit their title as looking for.
Looking for a job change. Immediately available.
Immediate joiner,
Shiva,
immediately
Abhishek
available.
here.
Yeah.
I have one question.
Hmm.
Like so many people, they do not just write that actively looking or something, but they just update their profiles recently, and they keep on updating their profile something or other to
Hmm.
make it as an recent update. So can't
Right.
we just find those profiles?
We can do that. Can you share me your screen if you're on a desktop?
No, I'm doing it from my mobile, so I'm not
Okay,
able
let
to
me
share
share
my
my
things.
screen. Good question. So there are two ways that we will have to cover in our advanced thing. But otherwise, let's suppose if this is the one, I'll go for in past 1 week. So this will give me the result like 3 days ago, he has updated the profile. 7 days ago, she has updated the profile. 7 days ago, 18 hours ago, 3 days ago, 4 hours ago, 7 days ago, like that. This is the one. Other thing, as I was mentioning, in a advanced level of thing, we'll be able to cover that. So this is one of my blog where I've created, these are all the custom search engines. So let's suppose if I wanted a profile. So here using so many strings, we are getting it, but wherein in custom search engine, in backend itself, I programmed this custom search engine in such a way that we'll have to only type Java and Bangalore, Bangalore, Bangalore. Okay, so here we see all the results. Now here I have one thing. One is sort by relevance, other is sort by date. I'll go and I'll see sort by date. So now I can see he has updated 15 hours ago, 31st Jan, 14th Jan, 13th Jan, 10th December, 9th October. So it's showing me in order how it has been updated. Another thing is this, looking for job. So he has updated 15 hours ago. Also, he has mentioned looking for change. 7th May, 5 days ago. 6th May, 30th April, 1st May, 5th March. People mentioned their mobile numbers in their LinkedIn profiles.
Yeah, Shiva.
Like this.
But can't we just export this thing to somewhere so that we can take further action on that particular one?
That is
Will there
again a
be
part of
any way to?
advance. That is again a part of advance. We'll have to use additional recipes to export the data. So this is something we're in a very beginning classes, but yeah, I have an answer for all your questions in this, whether you can export or how to search such kind of a profile who are updating only one thing, but may not be accurately, but maximum we'll be able to find out, because what we're trying to do is like whatever is available on internet, those profiles we're trying to search for. But as you're mentioning this particular feature, I go over here and I say get started. Show recruiters you're open to jobs. If I enable this, then in LinkedIn Recruiter, one recruiter will be able to see whether the person is open to jobs or not. Let me show you. To fetch that data, it's not possible because that's a feature of LinkedIn. It's not coming in a keyword. You got my point, right?
Yeah, Shiva, I got it.
So if the person is saying enabling, if the person is enabling this option, open for new job opportunity, this data is reflecting for me when I'm searching for profiles in this feature, open for new opportunities. So that's a feature. But if I enable this, there is no way that it shows on my personal LinkedIn profile that I'm open for new opportunity. It only shows in LinkedIn Recruiter that the person is open for new opportunity. If I see his profile, he has enabled. Okay, he's open for new opportunity. Just a second. Let me go back. Let me give you a few examples.
Hi, Shiv Kumar. Can I say something on this?
Yeah, please.
Okay. So, yeah, coming to that question, one thing which I comes into mind. Obviously, that is a different thing if we know how to look for profiles who have just updated. But if we have the tool, then we can create our search. What do you say? Alert, and uh, depending upon the search we have done, and then if the person does any activity or joins the LinkedIn, or then we can get to know.
Yeah, that is also a good thing. Let's suppose if I go to google.com/alerts. Okay, here I'll say create an alert for this, create alert, and then I'll edit. I'll say as it happens.